All right, y'all, we're gonna try this spot out. So like I said, home port, wrecked at the reef straight here on the far right of the rocks, as you guys can see. That's the RV park. We're gonna try this area here, try to get a better position. For now, this will be like my little base, and that way I can go a little bit lighter without carrying the rod and shit. Hopefully I don't eat it. If I do eat it, I'll post it. It happens to the best of us. Happens to me quite often, frankly. But all right, let's get it, guys. First cast. So I don't know what brand this is, but it's pretty sweet. Check out that eye. All right, first cast. I think I hooked a duck. God damn it. A penguin looking dude. Oh fuck. Sorry, dude. Alright, hopefully you don't die. Chill. Alright, y'all. I'll get back to you in a bit. Let me try to save this bird. I think I got him. I don't think I hooked him. I think the line just got tangled up on him. He probably saw the lure and then went after it. Motherfucker better not bite me. If you bite me, I'm gonna kick your ass. Alright. Let's put you up here. Chill, chill. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Alright, chill, chill, chill. Motherfucker. Chill. Chill. You're almost off, buddy. I said chill, dude. No. No. Chill out, Broseph. Chill out, Broseph. No. Hopefully you learned a lesson today, buddy. Don't go after my lures, little homie. So, safety release. He doesn't drown. Hey, he's good. All right, guys. It's funny. I guess since I'm here, I might as well cast. Fucking gorgeous. Let's go.